Today I am making a duck magret, but I am going to modify it a little bit. I'm going to stuff it with blue cheese and jamon serrano. And so I need to slice it, open it, and then I'm going to roll it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to cut the excess fat on the edges. We're going to need it later. The fat in there. Then we're going to chunk it, break it into pieces. Saca un poco de perejil y hay que picarlo, muy picadito. You're breaking the cheese up. This is a little bit of parsley. Okay. Microwave. ¿Dónde está el perejil? This is the bacon, I mean the fat, the duck's fat. parsley. Then we take garlic and we press it. Now we go. Okay, this is the duck magret with potatoes that is going into the oven. It's stuffed with blue cheese and prosciutto, jamón serrano. And this is a bordelaise sauce and a little bit of parsley that we're going to use for this. Okay, the magret, it's in the oven. 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, and we'll see what comes out like. Smells delicious. Okay, the magret has been sliced and served. Not served, but sliced. It looks delicious as well. Okay, and this is the magret blue with blue cheese, jamón serrano, which is a little bit stronger than prosciutto, and the bordelaise with mushrooms that I'm gonna pour over it.